Hi everyone, what's up, what's going on? I hope you all are doing really great. If you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a one brand makeup tutorial. As you guys already know after seeing my thumbnail, I create this makeup look using only one brand. Yes. This is Wet n Wild, my all-time favorite. So if you guys are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. But before that, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can notified every single time I upload. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, so first we'll start off with priming my face, and for that I am using this Wet n Wild Matte Photo Focus Face Primer. If you guys are following me, then you must know I am using this primer religiously, constantly, and I am in love with this one. The texture looks creamy, but when you apply it on your face, it mattifies your base and filling your pores very nicely. If you have large visible pores like me, then girls definitely go for it. ऑल्सो लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो आप यूज़ करते हो सकता है हर स्किन पर वो डिफरेंट काम करता हो. मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली और सेंसिटिव है, बट दिस प्राइमर रियली वर्क्स वेल फॉर माई स्किन. सो आई एम गिविंग माई जेन्युइन रिव्यूज़. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिसलीड यू गाइज विद माई रिव्यूज़, सो आई एम सेइंग व्हाट आई एक्चुअली फील. So this primer is love. So the next product is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is completely a matte foundation, good for oily skin type. And if you have dry skin, I won't recommend this to you guys. I'm in the shade Classic Beige. This foundation stays up to 5 hours. It gives me a smooth mattifying base. It doesn't oxidize on my skin. It comes with this spatula, and with the help of this one you can apply foundation directly on your face. I'm just using a normal dry beauty blender and just blending it. So let me tell you guys that I still don't have all the products from this brand, but I will let you all know that how I use my other product to complete my makeup. So this tip and trick are gonna be helpful for you. So yeah, keep watching. Now it's time to conceal my dark circles, and to concealing I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan.
I don't have mirror, guys, don't get.
As you can see, the shade is very similar to my skin tone, so this will just help me to conceal my dark circle. It will not highlight the area underneath my eyes. इसको blend कर लेते हैं. You can see coverage is very great. I don't know, मतलब मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को इसके बारे में बोलते हुए कहते हुए नहीं सुना है. I don't know why, but this concealer is really great, and they are available in 6 shades on Nykaa, I guess. So I'm done with concealing. Now we need to set this concealer ताकि crease ना हो, but I don't have their compact and any loose powder. So now what we gonna do? So in that case I am using their eyeshadow palette. We will talk about this later. So I'm using this beige shade from this palette with this blender and just dabbing right here. And I must say guys, it actually works really great. You can see. So this is how you can set your concealer. If you don't have any loose powder and compact, use your eyeshadow palettes. Yes, उसमें कोई भी ऐसा शेड जो आपके स्किन टोन से मैच करता हो, या कोई भी बेस शेड जो उसमें दिया हो, especially matte shade. So this is the tip number 1. Okay, now it's time for eyes, and first I'll do my brows. And for brows I'm using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso. This brand recently launched their eyebrow pomades, and I was very excited to try this out because I've never used any eyebrow pomade before, और मैंने Wet n Wild का कोई भी eyebrow product पहले इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है. It comes with this brush. This is a gel eyeliner brush, and they give this brush to us to fill in my brows, like, and the bristles are so soft. I am not even able to draw a line using this brush. Like, this is useless. आई डोंट नो क्या सोच कर उन्होंने ब्रश इसके साथ में दिया है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फॉर्मुलेशन एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. Let me tell you guys, this pomade isn't creamy. This is not creamy in texture. This is very thick, and when I first dig my brush, I use this angular brush, and when I dig my brush into it, it was like, like प्रोडक्ट इसमें आ ही नहीं रहा था, वो इतना ज़्यादा थिक था. या somehow I managed this and I filled my brows using this. But still, if you want to buy this one and want to give this one a try, then definitely go for this. But this is not as good as I was thinking. Okay, now let's go ahead and apply eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. This is my most favorite so far. This is a neutral eyeshadow palette and I love the shades, like you guys can see. All the shades are so pretty. There are 2 transition shades and 8 other different shades like this. These are the transition shades and all the 8 shades are so beautiful, so pigmented. But if you are a beginner, then go for it. It retails only rupees for 499 something and you can buy this one in the sale as well. So आपको और थोड़ा कम रेंज में मिल जाएगा. So go for it. I'm going to apply eyeliner. And for that I am using this Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown. Now I just create a perfect wing in just few seconds. Very easy to use, the tip is very fine, also the shade is very pigmented. I love this one. Okay, it's time for contouring and I don't have contouring palette from Wet n Wild. So now I am going to use same palette again. Yes, I'm telling you, this palette is very useful.
And you can see it's enough.
It's time for blush and for that I will use Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This is the most popular shade of this range. For highlighter I will use same palette. This is the shade. मेरे पास Wet n Wild की मस्कारा नहीं है, सेटिंग स्प्रे नहीं है, कॉम्पैक्ट नहीं है, कॉन्टोरिंग नहीं है और हाइलाइटर भी नहीं है. But that's completely okay. It's time for lipstick and for lipstick I will use their Mega Last liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. Shade is a perfect brown mocha shade for fair to medium skin tone. This looks very pretty. Lipstick is very pigmented. Staying power बहुत अच्छी है इसकी. 4 to 5 hours stay करता है अगर आपने ऑयली फूड नहीं लिया है तो. अगर आप लेते हो तो ये बीच से थोड़ा सा फेड होने लग जाएगा, बट दैट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. दिस इज Wet n Wild आई पेंसिल. आई डोंट नो द शेड नेम बिकॉज इसके ऊपर जो भी लिखा था वो सब हट चुका है. सो आई विल लेट यू ऑल नो. यहाँ पे नाम मैंने मेंशन कर दिया, आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज़ नॉट दैट मच क्रीमी. दिस इज़ ओके लाइक या ऐसे बहुत सारे पेंसिल्स मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं. सो यू गाइस कैन गो फॉर दैट. आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ दिस वन एज वेल. लाइक ये बहुत टाइम से पड़ा है मेरे पास और अभी भी ये इतना बाकी है बिकॉज आई डोंट यूज़ दिस दैट मच. So all the products which I have used in this videos I bought on my own. This video is neither sponsored nor collaborated. So this is how I create this look. जबकि मेरे पास सारे products नहीं थे. आप चाहो तो और दूसरे product use कर सकते हो. This is my version. This is how I create my makeup look if I don't have other products. If you guys find my video helpful, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. For more interesting makeup and transition videos, you can follow me on my Instagram. My Insta ID is @glamgirlswati. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye and